Hey y'all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I want to show you how to put together these cute holiday lollipop holders. They're easy to make with our downloadable Cutables. You get SVG files and PNG files, so you can create all three of these holders with or without an electronic cutting machine. If you have a color printer, then you can print and cut the PNG file. Or, if you have a black and white printer, attach the printout to whatever paper you wish to use, then cut out along the solid lines, and then you fold along the dotted. You can use any electronic cutting machine that recognizes SVG files. I've gone ahead and cut out all the pieces and have my lollies ready for assembly. I'm using cardstock for these lollies. So let's start with Santa. For the smaller pieces, I've run them through this sticker maker. I find it's the best way to attach all those little bits. I've put the hat and pom-pom and eyes through the sticker maker, and that leaves the base and the beard hat. Hold the base along the score lines and start attaching at the top. I'm starting with the hat. It should fit perfectly in the space. The hat sets placement for the rest of the piece, so just tack it down in case you need to adjust it. Next comes the little pom-pom. He fits in at the top. If it doesn't fit exactly, you can overlap the hat or you can adjust the hat. Now for the beard. Make sure the beard lines up with the beard on the base. You'll notice that the beard comes down past the fold line of the base, so take note of where the fold is on the beard and only place adhesive above the fold. Now I like to spread the glue to the very edges to get good adhesion so nothing picks up. And I'll place that on the base, tucked under the hat and lined up with the beard on the base. Now for the eyes. Place the pupils and the whites of the eyes lining at the bottom curved edge. The short rounded edges of the pupils should be placed in the short round edges of the white. Then position the eyes around the circle cut out for the nose. Now for the lolly. Take the lolly and insert the stick in the hole in between the fold lines. Push the stick down as far as you need to position the lolly within the nose hole. The hole for the lolly should be smaller than the circumference of the lolly to help hold it in place. Now here's what it looks like from the side. Place adhesive above the lolly to close it. I'm using foam tape just to give the lolly a little bit more room. To fancy it up, you could add ribbon to the base, or if you want a longer stick, use a straw and insert the stick into the straw. Now let's do the reindeer. The reindeer has 3 pieces and is as simple as can be to assemble. Take the base and fold along the score line. We'll start at the top and add adhesive to the back of the top of the reindeer and attach to the base below the antlers and aligned with the nose hole and ears. And now for the bottom. Add adhesive to the back of the bottom above where the score line is and attach to the base, lining up the nose hole and the sides of the reindeer. Use more glue than I am here. I had to do a gluing intervention later on. Insert the lolly into the small hole and fit the lolly into the nose hole. Use a strong adhesive to join the bases together. And add a ribbon if you want to be fancy. And I do. Super cute! Now the snowman. Just 3 pieces for the snowman. 4 if you count the extra hat if you want to use it. Fold the snowman base and glue his face on, making sure not to glue below the fold line. And attach. Add the hat to the base if you wish. and then add the band to his hat. I got smarter my third go around making these and added adhesive to the top of the inside of the holder before I added the lolly. Just makes for less fiddling, I find. Trim any excess wrapper there, that's much better. Now insert the lolly and fit the lolly into the nose hole. And adhere the two sides together. Then trim with a fancy bow. And these are done. I think these would be super cute in a lolly bouquet or tucked into a present or into a stocking. These are really easy to make. I hope you give them a try. Have a great day.